Hey everyone, wanted to put together a video to demonstrate how to read in a Maker face code, so that way you can import or bring in some of these shared faces into onto your own watch. So you might have, if you've joined my Fitbit Maker share code page, you might have noticed a lot of really cool, awesome user-created watch faces, and might be wondering, how do I get those? So that's what I want to show you today. So what each face usually entails is this funky code you see up here, as well as maybe a background image to create something like that. So so there's two parts to it. So really it's just a matter of getting these two parts into Maker. So typically what you would do is you would go ahead and actually copy the code. So if you highlight and hold your finger on that, you'll notice the copy dialog, so copy that. That's part one. You need that. All this stuff generates and sets where you want to put, or where the clock and all the details will actually be set to. And the second part you need is, if you look at this one here, is the wallpaper that's associated to it. So if you open that up, highlight, and then save the photo, it'll save it to your camera roll. So, and from there, what you'll do is you'll go into the Fitbit app, and let's start from the beginning. So usually you get to this page and you go to clock faces. It'll take you to the settings page, or to the clock face page for Maker. Click on the settings icon, and this should be your settings page that you typically see. So we're going to take this Deadpool and now put on our Rick and Morty watch face. So first thing you should do is scroll towards the bottom. And if you notice on the bottom, there's a portion here for share code. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this dialog box here, and the code that we copied, we're going to tap there and we're going to hit paste. And then once you save it, there's a button here to read the share code. So tap that, and once you do that, you'll notice that the dialog disappears. There shouldn't be, if there's an error, it'll tell you that there's an error with the code. And what you'll notice is that the watch will start to vibrate, or should be vibrating, and you should see that the watch is actually applying those changes. Now, something to remember, there's two parts of it, like I mentioned, the code and then the actual image. The image doesn't come with the code, so that's why it's important that you always save your image to your camera roll. There's no way to actually put that in code so that you automatically get the image. That's not how it can work. So it'll keep doing this until it's all done, and even though it looks like it's the default watch face, if we go and actually then go up, pick the background image we want, say goodbye to Deadpool, we'll go to our photo library, which is where we saved our Rick and Morty image, go here and then find it. So it's going to be this one here, let's say. We'll get it to be what it looked like in the preview. So now it's saved and it's transferring to the watch, so give it a few seconds. Make it always open. Give it a few seconds and it should apply it there. You should notice it vibrate. That one took a while, but there we go. So now we've got a new Rick and Morty watch face, just like that. So same thing for reverse. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and share this with other people. I've created this awesome watch face, and now I want to go ahead and give it to and share my work with the world. What you would go down to is to the Maker share code portion. You would generate the share code, and it will generate based off of what current watch face is there. Tap that. Actually, hold it down, do a select all and a copy. And then go to the Facebook page, create a post with that. Post, I usually like to see a preview image of the actual watch face, and then the actual background you used. Post that, and hopefully people will download and like that. So, and that's it. That's all it takes to get a brand new watch face within Maker. Hope you enjoy that. Thanks.